Hi everyone. Okay, so I think that I'm live. Thank you. Thank you, Niloufer, to invite me to join that summit. So I'm Laurence Sevagami. Yes, I think I'm live. Okay, thank you. I'm Laurence Sevagami. I'm French. I live in France. And today I'm really happy to talk about a topic I love. So I facilitate people to transform their life by transforming their home. So I've created different programs around home, around spaces. And today I really want to talk about what do your home and business spaces say about you. And why I choose that topic, it's because just maybe 2 weeks ago, I was in my car to do some things, and I came in a place where they sell things for people who need help to move their body to walk. So it was some, I don't know what the name in English, but it was some things you take, you take to walk. And there was also different things about when you need help to shower, or all of things about that. And I was in my car, I go there and I said, wow, there was an energy here who really stopped me. It was like, oh my God. And it was not about what they sell, okay? I don't have any problems about that. It's not about what they sell, it's about the energy of the place, the energy of the cell, the energy of the space, okay? And wow, I said, oh my God. And of course, each time I'm going there is nobody, okay? So maybe there is body who comes after me, that's not the problem. But really, for me, the way and where was that shop, it was not the more attractive, but first of all, the energy of the shop was really not attractive. And so it's a reason why today I really want to talk about that, because we are not often aware how much our spaces talk about us. We are not aware what they say about us. And oh my God, your spaces, it could be your home or your business spaces. It could be also your car, because your car is a space. But all your spaces you are in every day says a lot of things about you. And actually they say more than you and your words would say about you. So my invitation for you today is, take a time today or this weekend, take a time and have a look. Go outside of your home, first of all, because you live here every day. Go outside of your home and say and take care of what people can see when they look at your home, okay? So if you live in a home, you go outside in front of the home, in the street, really in the street, like you are someone who walks there, or you are in your car. What do you see when you look at your home? So take care of each details. It could be flowers, plants, animal. It could be also all the things you've put there to say, yes, I have to go. I have to go to put that in a place where you don't need them anymore. Or take a time to see what you see and what people can see when they look at your home. If you are a business owner do the same thing with your business spaces, okay? So do the same thing. Take a look, take a time and say, okay, what do my clients see when they look at my shop? What do they see? Just go there, have a look, go and come back, and do it in the morning, in the evening, when it's sunny, when it's raining, at different time of the day and everything, because if you perceive something that you don't like, I would say, it means that your clients would perceive the same thing. And if you don't like that energy, that thing, your clients wouldn't like that too. And the more you take care of your spaces, the more you will receive clients. Because actually, your spaces, your home, your business spaces, your car, or anything, everything, it's all about energy. And energy doesn't need words to talk, doesn't need time to understand, doesn't need time to fix anything. Energy is just energy and it's speed of space. So when you are in your car, you are seeing a shop, a home, or anything, as soon as you see it, you perceive something, okay? Of course, you can perceive something else than me, and that's okay. But each of us, we perceive an energy when we see a home or a space. And you understand that if you see a home or a business spaces that it's beautiful, let's say if you are in the city center with your family, it's sunny, you have time, okay, and you want to drink a coffee or to eat an ice cream, what are you doing? If you are like me, if you are like everyone, you would let you go into a space that it's just wow, it's beautiful, you have beautiful seats, you have space for your body to be comfortable, even if it's for 5 minutes. For me, actually, even if it's 5 minutes to drink my coffee, I would prefer to go to a place where, wow, I feel good, okay? I feel good to drink that coffee. And so if I have choice between one coffee shop and another one, I can say you that I would choose the one that it's beautiful, that it's attractive, that it's a beautiful place, okay? So if you are a business owner, my invitation is really to invite you to take time with your business spaces and have a look what your clients show when they come in, okay? And because as I've said you, it's not about it's not about you, it's not about anything else, actually. It's just about energy. And energy doesn't need time, doesn't need words to speak, to understand, to fix anything. It's just it. And you will realize that the more you are aware of the energies, the more your life becomes easier. Because let's say you are going to a restaurant tonight, okay? You will take maybe 2 hours here. You will spend money. You will, you will do things. You will eat. So if your body is happy here, is happy the way he sits, is happy what he will eat, the more your body will be happy, and the more you will be happy, and your day and your evening will be, wow, I had a great time here, you know. And that's so important actually, because let's say that every day you are working in a space, or every day you are going to the restaurant or in a coffee shop to drink your coffee, or every day you are in your home actually, the more you are happy in your spaces, the more life becomes easier for you. And you know, I would really invite you to realize uh, that actually your spaces are conscious. Okay, your spaces are conscious. They perceive your energy, they perceive your emotions, your feelings, they perceive all the energies here. So if you go to a restaurant, the restaurants perceive all the energies of people here. It means that if you go to a restaurant, just because it's not expensive, or just because you have only 30 minutes, and actually the other restaurant there is too many people, you can't stay here, it means that you will go in a restaurant because it's not expensive, but it will not be the place where your body will be the most comfortable. Okay, and really guys, really, I would invite you, if you sometimes you forget to ask your body where it wants to eat, where it wants to go, I would suggest you to try it for 3-4 days and see what's the difference. Because, and actually, beyond the things that you have, it will be comfortable, for your body to sit and to eat here. It's also about what can you receive here that you can't receive in a place just because it's not expensive. Okay, it's all about energy. I would say that again and again, but it's all about energy. So really, uh, body, show me where you want to eat. Show me where you want to drink a coffee today. Okay, show me, body, where would be the greater place for me to have my lunch today. Let's say, you know, here in France, summer is back, and I love having my coffee on the terrace, on the sun. So for me, you could have the best coffee, but if you don't have in terrace and I can't sit on the sun, I wouldn't go there. You know, really, I promise you. So anytime I ask my body, oh, please show me where you want to have a coffee, where you want to go. Okay, so that's my invitation for you. And also, uh, just for your home, and also if you are a business owner, what if from today you start to talk to your spaces? Talk to your spaces as you do with your lover, as you do with your best friend. What if every day when you wake up you say, hey, hello home, hello home, how are you? How are you? What if every day when you go to your work, even if you are the owner or not, you know, what if you talk to your spaces and you say, hey, I'm here, it's me. What can we do today? What is possible today for you and for me and together? Okay? What if you start to create a communication with your spaces? Of course, if it's the first time you use all of that tools, you could say, what? That's totally crazy. And you know what? It is crazy. Because actually, like if it was like you do every day, it would not be fun, okay? But it's not about being crazy or being normal. It's just about trying something else, trying something new, and see what can you change in your life when you start to transform your spaces. So say hello to your home, say hello to your business spaces. Even if you just go to work and also to work here every day, what if every morning you said, hey, hello, I'm here. How are you today? How are you today? You know, uh, the more I use all of that tools, the more I become aware of all the energies in a space, in a space, And last time I was thinking, actually, it was last year, before COVID and everything. But I remember I took a plane, and just when I go to come in the plane, because I'm not comfortable always to take plane. Sometimes I'm a bit afraid, And I remember that day, I come here in front of the plane, and I said, hello, it's me. I'm coming here today to go. I don't even remember where I was going, but I say, okay, I'm here. I see you. Can you please do that? Our trip today, it's easy and light for me, please, because yes, it's not it's not always fun for me. And you know what, guys? As soon as I start to communicate with that plane, in my body, and even if now I say you that, in my body it was wow, so easy, so much spaces in my body. And yes, the plan, it was really great, So I would really invite you to talk to everything, because when I've talked to that plane, I think honestly that I was the first person, the first one who talked to it. So can you imagine that plane who say, oh my God, someone talk to me, someone see me? Because usually people just come, they put their everything, and just boom, and that's it, bye, okay? But your plane, everything is conscious. Your car is conscious. When I'm in my car, I have so much joy. I can't say you. For me, that's something I can't explain. I love going into my car. I love my car. Really. I love my car. I love my home. So every day I'm so happy in my spaces, and sometimes I can cry, or I can say, oh, I don't know how to do that. Can you help me? Yesterday I was in my car and I say, hey, I forgot to ask you today. Can you show me the money, please? Whoops. What is that? So I don't know, but the thing is, when I'm in my car yesterday and I said him, hey, can you show me the money, please? All of a sudden in my body it was, oh, yes, show me the money, show me the money, and I realize now that this morning I received an email to say, hey, okay, you will receive 250 euros. Oh, yes, thank you guys to remind me that. So it's not about I do with that, blah, blah, blah. It's just about playing with the energy, and even if you don't understand what you are doing and how it works, it works. It works because it's all about energy, and it's only about energies, actually. So I don't see if you have question. It's the first time I'm doing a live like that. But yes, for me, if I can give you 3 tools to start playing, communicate with your spaces. So first of all, say hello to your home and to your spaces, business spaces, even if you are the owner or not. Say hello to your car, say hello to everything, to all the space you are in every day. Say hello to them. Say them thank you. Thank you for everything they give you. For example, your home gives you the comfort, gives you security, you know, every day you are in, you, your family, your children, all your money, all your precious paper, you know, everything you love, it's in your home. So say thank you to your home to take care of all of that for you when you sleep, for you when you are not at home. Thank you for taking care of all of that. Also, you could ask them, how can I contribute to you? Because you could be the first one who perceive your spaces, your home, you know. So ask it, what can I contribute to you today? What if I could start to contribute to you? Can you show me, please? Can you say me how to do that? What I have to be, what I have to do? Can you show me, please? And then do what you have to do. Don't try to understand, and let's see what's happened. You know, yesterday I was talking to a very good friend. She wants to buy the home she's in. And each time I ask her, are you ready to buy that home? Can you talk to the home? She said, yes, but I don't understand what you mean. And maybe it was last month. She said, okay, show me, say me what I have to do. She was really interested by how I would play, okay? So I give her some tools. Yesterday, she called me and she said, hey Laurence, I use your tools and actually my home said me, no, don't buy me because here you are happy. Yes, you are. But if you want a lover, there is no space for your lover here because it's a small home. So she said me that, and she said me, I don't understand, Laurence, because I've never thought about that. I love my home. Each time I'm thinking about buying that home, I love it. But after using your tools, after asking question to the home, hear what she said. She said, no, don't buy me because there is no place for a lover here. And because you want a lover, you won't be happy here. She said, I don't understand. And I said, you know what? You don't have to understand. You've asked, what would it take to buy you? Am I really ready to buy you? And your home said you, no, there is something else. There is something greater for you, your lover, your future, and everything. So now she said me, okay, now I will ask more questions and ask my home now, where is my next home? And I say, that's an amazing question, you know. So yes, your spaces are talking to you guys. Really, really. If you are willing to ask the same question and receive what they know, even if it may be crazy for you, that's great. Okay, so really, I don't see your question, but what I suggest, if you have question, I will look at that after the live, and I can come and answer you or contact you, okay? So what I would suggest, if you are interested by the topic of home and spaces and everything, I've created different programs, even if you want to buy your home, to sell your home, or just be happy in your home. I did a free Zoom this week The name was How to Transform Your Home as a Place Where Your Body Will Love to Live In. What I will do just after the live here, I will put the link, okay? It was a free call. It was in French, English, German, and Spanish, so 4 languages. Whenever you speak French, Spanish, English, or everything, you can have the replay, okay? I will put the link, you sign up, and you receive the replay. And if not, please feel free to contact me. And otherwise, I will give you my website. Everything is in French because I'm French and I'm in the process of translating everything. But as you can see, I speak English. So feel free to contact me in English and I'll come back to you. So thank you very much for listening to me. I'm so happy, actually. Thank you, Nilofer, for creating that summit. And yes, talk to you soon, guys. Bye.